Dapat alam nyo to, IACAT. Okay? This is the Interagency Council Against Trafficking. Okay? Kita ko, takot ako sa IACAT. Bakit? NBI, DOJ, PNP, ano pa. May kaso last time, hindi ko alam kung alam nyo, if you're aware, there's someone here in Zamboanga City, sa Tetuan, allegedly a lawyer is housing a few kids in his house. Lawyer. And what happened there is, ini-invite niya sa bahay, and we don't know what else was going on. But, since IACAT ang nag-operate, you are very well sure. Ayaw ko lang sabihin yung term. Halos tumpak na talaga lahat yun. Tugma na tugma yun. May affidavit, may surveillance, may proper enforcement na yun ng search warrant. So wala na. Kapag IACAT na mag-operate, it's as if halos convicted ka na talaga. Because they do not move without proper intelligence, proper surveillance.